Mia had always been passionate about baking. Her creations were famous in the small town of Hembury. People would come from miles away just to taste her delectable pastries and cakes. She had a particular recipe that became the talk of the town, her famous double chocolate delight cake. It was a rich, moist cake, with layers of velvety chocolate mousse and topped with a glossy ganache. No one could resist it. One day, a renowned food critic, Thomas, arrived in Hembury. He had heard about Mia's double chocolate delight cake, and he wanted to taste it for himself. Mia greeted him warmly and served him a slice of her cake. Thomas closed his eyes and took a bite, savoring every morsel. It was truly a divine experience. Thomas was impressed and didn't hesitate to express his admiration. "Mia, this is the best chocolate cake I have ever tasted. You must share your secret recipe with the world." Mia smiled mysteriously and replied, "Thank you, Thomas. I'm glad you enjoyed it. But I'm afraid the recipe must remain a secret." Thomas was persistent, and he couldn't let go of the idea of uncovering Mia's secret recipe. He visited Mia's bakery every day, trying to uncover any clues or hints that could lead him to the secret ingredient. Mia was aware of his intentions but played along, always making sure to keep her secret hidden. Weeks went by, and Thomas started losing hope. He had tried every trick in the book to learn about the secret ingredient, but Mia had remained tight-lipped. One day, as he was about to leave the bakery, he noticed a photograph hanging on the wall. It was a picture of Mia with a woman who looked strikingly similar to her. Curiosity piqued. He asked Mia about the photograph. "Oh, that's my twin sister, Anna. She lives in a small village in the mountains, away from the hustle and bustle of the city," Mia replied. "We were very close growing up, but our paths diverged. I chose baking, and she chose to live a simple life with nature." Thomas couldn't help but wonder if Anna was the key to unlocking Mia's secret recipe. He decided to visit the village and meet Anna. He thought that maybe she knew the secret ingredient, and he could persuade her to reveal it. The following week, Thomas arrived at the mountain village and found Anna's house. She welcomed him with a warm smile, just like her sister. Thomas explained his quest for the secret recipe and how he believed Anna might know the answer. Anna listened patiently and then laughed softly. "Thomas, I do know the secret ingredient, but it's not something that can be shared or replicated. The secret lies within our family bond and love for each other. It's something that can't be measured or quantified. It's our connection that makes the cake so special." Thomas was stunned. He had spent weeks trying to uncover the secret ingredient, only to learn that it was intangible. He realized that it wasn't just about the recipe but the love and passion that went into making the cake. He thanked Anna for her honesty and returned to Hembury. He shared his newfound knowledge with Mia and promised never to ask about the secret recipe again. He understood that some things were meant to remain a mystery, and it was the love and care that made the cake truly special. From that day on, Thomas would visit Mia's bakery, not as a food critic trying to uncover secrets, but as a friend who appreciated the love and craftsmanship that went into her creations. And Mia's double chocolate delight cake continued to bring joy to everyone who tasted it, with its secret ingredient forever hidden in the hearts of two loving sisters.
This video was brought to you by Talkpal. Talkpal is an AI language tutor, powered by GPT technology. It is the most efficient way to learn a language. You can chat about an unlimited number of interesting topics, either by writing or speaking. It corrects your grammar and provides feedback on your messages. It helps you practice listening, reading, writing, and speaking while engaging in interesting and exciting conversations. You can start using it today at talkpal.ai.